So here is how to face swap with AI for free. For this one, I'll be using ChatGPT. So head over to the ChatGPT website or app. Once you're here, you need to go over to the left panel and click on New Chat to start a new chat. You can also use this drop-down to select a different model of ChatGPT. Now, go over to the prompt box and drag in the images for which you want to face swap. You can also use the plus icon to select them from your device. So once the images are uploaded, put in your prompt, instructing it to swap the faces of the characters. Make sure to put in a detailed prompt and clearly mention whatever output that you want. Then, just wait for it to get generated. And as you can see, the image is now ready. The face swap was done perfectly. You can then download the image onto your device using the download icon. And that's it. That is how to face swap with AI for free.